Magic Garden, What School Does and How to Make the Most of It. Ethan was about to return to school for a new term. While most of his classmates felt excited, Ethan felt uneasy. He sat on the edge of his bed, staring at his school bag. "What's the point of school, anyway?" he muttered to himself. "I've been going for years, but why?" He thought about the different subjects and activities. How do I know if I have been doing it right? What if I have missed something important and just wasted time? Ethan sighed and flopped onto his pillow. If school is supposed to help me, why do I feel so confused about it? As he drifted to sleep, a soft golden light filled the room. When he opened his eyes, he saw a glowing door where his closet had been. Feeling curious, Ethan stepped through and found himself in a magical garden. Ethan found himself in a dazzling garden filled with shimmering trees, humming vines, and colorful flowers. As he looked around, a small bird with gleaming blue and green feathers perched nearby. "Hello, Ethan," chirped the bird. "I'm Robin, your guide to the Magic Garden of Everlearn. This garden is like school. You'll learn 2 things here. 1, what school does to help you grow, and 2, how to make the most of your time there." "What does a garden have to do with school?" Ethan asked. Robin flapped its wings. "Think of it like this. School gives you the seeds, knowledge, tools, skills, and soil, a supportive environment to grow. But it's up to you to tend your garden and make it flourish. Each plant you grow here will show you something about learning." Robin showed Ethan a pouch filled with labeled seeds: math, science, reading, art, music, sports, teamwork, and more. "Plant them," Robin said. "Each seed will show you something important." Ethan planted the math seed. A tree with twisting puzzle-shaped branches sprouted. Some puzzles were easy, but others were frustrating. Ethan felt stuck. "Don't give up," Robin encouraged. "The more effort you put in, the stronger the tree grows." As Ethan solved a tricky puzzle, the tree grew taller and glowing leaves appeared. What school provides? School gives you the chance to try many things: math, art, science, and more. Each subject is a seed for learning. What you can do to make the most of it? Stay curious and open-minded. Even if something seems hard at first, keep trying. You might discover hidden talents or new interests. As the plants grew, Ethan noticed that some struggled. The science vine drooped when ignored. "Why aren't they growing well?" Ethan asked. "Because a garden needs consistent care," Robin explained. "Water your plants by asking questions and putting in regular effort. Pull weeds by staying focused and managing your time. Remember, growth takes time and care." Ethan began watering his science vine and pulling weeds from around the flowers. Slowly, they started to flourish. What school provides? School gives you an environment with peers and teachers who guide and support your growth. What you can do to make the most of it: stay involved, ask questions, and work consistently. Progress takes effort, but each step matters. While tending his garden, Ethan spotted a glowing patch of soil. "What's that?" he asked Robin. "That's the teamwork garden," Robin explained. "Some plants need others to grow. Just like in school, teamwork and friendships help you accomplish more and make learning fun." Ethan noticed small saplings sprouting. "But I didn't plant these," he said. "Others did," Robin replied. "Now it's your turn. Care for them, plant your own seeds, and see what happens." As Ethan worked, other children appeared, guided by their own birds. They shared tools, ideas, and encouragement, their laughter filling the air. Together, they transform the patch into a vibrant garden. By the end, Ethan marveled at the results. "We did this together," he said, smiling. "Exactly," Robin said. "Teamwork helps everything bloom brighter." What school provides? School offers opportunities to collaborate, whether in group projects, sports, or helping friends. What you can do to make the most of it. Share ideas, listen, support others, and take time to connect. Collaboration and friendship make the journey more rewarding. Suddenly, dark clouds gathered over the garden, bringing wind and rain. Some plants bent, while others struggled to stand tall. Ethan felt discouraged. "Storms come to every garden," Robin said. "They're like challenges at school, a tough test, an argument with a friend, or a day when nothing seems to go right. But storms also help you grow stronger." Ethan repaired the broken plants and kept working through the rain. He realized he was learning patience and resilience. What school provides? A safe place to face challenges, make mistakes, and learn from them. What you can do to make the most of it. Embrace mistakes and tough times. They help you grow stronger and learn valuable lessons. Ethan followed a path to a calm pond that mirrored the trees and sky above. "This pond represents reflection," Robin explained. "Just like the water shows everything clearly, reflecting on what you've learned helps you see your progress." Ethan knelt beside the pond. "What should I reflect on?" "Think about what you enjoyed, what challenged you, and what worked well each week," Robin advised. Reflection helps you understand your growth and decide where to focus next. Ethan smiled. "I'll think about what I did well and where I need to improve." What school provides? School gives you moments to pause and reflect on your experiences and progress. It helps you see how much you've learned and where you can grow further. What you can do to make the most of it. Take time to reflect regularly. Consider what went well, what was difficult, and where you want to improve. Reflection helps you grow and set new goals. Ethan wandered through the garden, marveling at the plants, now full of ripe fruit and vibrant flowers. He couldn't help but smile at the sight. "Look at that," Robin said, pointing to the blooming plants. "After you've cared for something for a while, it's time to harvest. That's the reward for all the effort you've put in." Harvesting is about recognizing how far you've come. In school, when you work hard, whether it's mastering a new math problem, reading a book you once found hard, or solving a tricky puzzle, you start to see results in your own progress. Ethan held up the flower, his face lighting up. It's not just about reaching the end, it's about appreciating everything you've learned along the way. What school provides? School helps you grow through effort, and with time, your hard work pays off in the progress you see. What you can do to make the most of it. Celebrate the small victories and take time to notice how far you've come. Celebrate your achievements and stay excited for the next challenge. Just before Ethan was about to leave, he noticed a younger gardener struggling to untangle a stubborn vine. Remembering how Robin had helped him, Ethan offered some advice. "Try watering it first," he suggested kindly, "and don't give up. It'll get stronger with care." What school provides? A community where everyone can help each other grow and learn. What you can do to make the most of it. Share what you've learned with others. Helping others not only deepens your own understanding, but it also makes the journey more meaningful. As the sun began to set in the garden, Ethan felt the garden fading away. He opened his eyes to find himself back in his room, but now he felt different. The golden light had disappeared, but the lessons from the garden stayed with him. Ethan looked at his school bag and smiled. School is like a garden, he thought. I have the seeds, the tools, and the support to grow. I just need to keep learning, stay curious, and do my best. With a deep breath, Ethan picked up his school bag and headed to school, ready for whatever the day would bring. The end.